Psychologist. What is psychologist? A psychologist is someone who studies the mind and behavior. While people often think of therapy when they hear the word psychologist, this professional actually encompasses a wide range of specialty areas, including such things as animal research and organizational behavior. Psychologist is a professional who practices psychology and studies mental states, perceptual, cognitive, emotional, and social process and behavior. Their work often involves the experimentation, observation, and interpretation of how individuals relate to each other and to their environment. Main reason I pursued counseling psychology was because I really enjoy helping people improve their mental and emotional health. Strongly believe this improves people's quality of life and can assist people with not only mental health disorders but struggles such as depression, PTSD, eating disorders, and other issues with their lives. It makes me feel proud to help others find the tools, resources, and the treatment they need to be happy, healthy individuals. One of the main reasons I choose to become a psychologist is because I love being able to help people and be different in their lives. I am also fascinated by how people's mind work and how they behave, and I strongly believe that there is always something new to learn and understand when it comes to psychology. As we human develop, so does psychology, and there is always a growing literature, more studies, and more research concerning the human and mind, how it works. In addition to this, I like this listening to people like I'm a strong communicator, which I think is vital in treating clients and patients. Strongly agree with the notion psychology is essential to our survival. It can lead to improved social lives, personal lives, and relationships as people learn more about their own minds, how they work, and eventually become better people for it. That's all. Thank you.